Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our mass airflow sensor. That's going to be located right next to where your air filter housing is. To get started on replacing this, you're going to continue on by squeezing on the little tab for the electrical connector. You want to give it a quick inspection. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion and it would need to be dealt with. Now we're going to move along to our two T20 mounting screws. For these, you want to look in the center of each of the screws. You're going to find that you need a tamper-proof bit. It essentially looks like a star with a hole through the center. Let's go ahead and start pulling each of these out. Once you have both of your mounting screws out of there, go ahead and give this a little wiggle to break it free from the housing. After that, you can carefully lift it up. There it is, friends. Once the mass airflow sensor is out of the hole, continue on by wiping down the area where the seal is going to be. Now that this is clean, it's time to install our mass airflow sensor. We'll just go ahead and take this and we're going to put it right in position, making sure we line up both of our mounting bolt holes. Should want to slide right into place. Go ahead and start in both of your mounting screws. Once they're both started, go ahead and snug them up. After it's tight, go ahead and reconnect in your electrical connector. Listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's completely secured.